Due to the rainy and wet weather, July is India's off-season. The monsoon is in full swing across most Indian states. Rain falls every few days at this time of year. This is an excellent time to visit some of India's drier regions, such as Rajasthan's historic cities or Tamil Nadu's ancient temples. July brings rains that slightly cool the temperature in Delhi and its surrounding areas. The average high temperature is around 35 degrees Celsius, with lows around 29 degrees Celsius. Temperatures are similar in Rajasthan, but there are fewer rainy days. July is extremely rainy and hot in Kerala, Mumbai, and Goa. Tamil Nadu experiences less rain, with the main monsoon season beginning in October. At this time of year, the Himalayas of the east, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, etc., receive a lot of rain. Peak season has passed in these areas. The monsoon has little effect on Kashmir and Ladakh, where the weather is still pleasant for trekking. Few international tourists visit India in July due to the weather. Because Indian schools have finished their summer vacation, you won't see many domestic tourists. In India, crowds and prices are at their lowest in July and August, with the exception of the far northern Himalayas. During the monsoon season, it is possible to travel to the wet areas of India. Rain is frequently sporadic, clearing up for long enough during the day to allow for sightseeing. However, keep in mind that rain increases the number of mosquitoes in the area. These insects can carry malaria, so consult a doctor about malaria prevention before traveling. Some areas become extremely muddy after rain, so bring appropriate rain gear to make the most of your trip. Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu are two of the best places to visit in India if you want to avoid the rain. These dry areas will experience less precipitation in July, allowing you to take advantage of off-season deals and discounts. This is the ideal time to visit Rajasthan's historic cities. The monsoon rains will not dampen a visit to Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, or Jaisalmer, which are filled with Havelis, historic mansions, and Maharaja palaces. You may be able to take a camel tour of the Thar desert on clear days. Some tours allow you to sleep out in the desert under the stars, which is an unforgettable experience. You could also go to the major tourist attractions in Tamil Nadu. From the mysticism of Auroville to the impressive grandeur of Madurai's Meenakshi Amman temple, you'll be able to enjoy the attractions of this Indian state without the crowds of peak vacation times in July. Dear viewer, if you find the content helpful, it will be appreciated if you can raise your thumb. If you want to know about a place where you want to travel, please let me know. India feels different during the rainy season. Monsoon festivals across the country are set against a backdrop of lush green foliage and damp mist. Here are some of India's top July celebrations. If you enjoy mangoes, you will not want to miss the Delhi Tourism Mango Festival. More than 500 mango varieties will be on display, along with a variety of mango products for sale and farmers and growers from across India. Much further south, in Kerala, there will be a snake boat race in the town of Champakulam. Each long snake boat holds dozens of rowers who race the boats across the flood-swollen backwaters. Jangathiri Anayuthu, an elephant feast, is another interesting festival taking place in Kerala this month. During the ceremony, elephants are lined up in a row inside the Jangathiri Bhagavathi temple in Pattambi, and fed fruit and other specially selected foods. In mid-July, the holy city of Rishikesh in the Himalayan foothills hosts the Guru Purnima festival. This occasion is set aside to honor gurus and spiritual teachers. Prayers, chanting, fasting, and spiritual discussions characterize it. Keep in mind that many religious festivals in India are celebrated according to a lunar or lunisolar calendar, so dates vary from year to year. Confirm exact dates before traveling. Dear travel fans, if you like this video, please stay with us and hit the subscribe button here. Thanks for watching this video.